Do you ever feel like your brain isn't firing the way it used to? After 40, many people experience mental fatigue and what we often call brain fog. The good news is that it's not permanent, and in most cases it's not a sign of something serious. These natural solutions can help you reclaim your mental clarity. Today, we'll explore what brain fog feels like, why it happens after 40, and 7 natural solutions to restore clarity. Plus, we'll share a real-life success story to inspire you. Brain fog isn't a medical diagnosis. It's a cluster of symptoms that can make everyday life more challenging. You might experience memory lapses, concentration issues, and mental fatigue. These symptoms can be frustrating and may make you worry that something serious is happening with your brain. There are several physiological reasons why mental clarity can diminish in midlife. Hormonal shifts, sleep changes, stress accumulation, and nutritional gaps all play a role in why brain fog becomes more common after 40. Research has shown that even short-term sleep loss impairs attention and working memory. Studies reveal that the brain's glymphatic system, which removes waste products, operates primarily during deep sleep. After 40, deep sleep cycles naturally decrease, potentially leading to accumulated metabolic waste in the brain. Your brain literally clears itself while you sleep through the glymphatic system. After 40, sleep quality often diminishes just when we need it most. Aim for 7 to 9 hours in a cool, dark room, and consider sleep-promoting supplements like magnesium or L-theanine if approved by your doctor. Blood sugar fluctuations can cause energy crashes and brain fog. The standard American diet, high in refined carbohydrates and sugar, creates these harmful spikes and crashes. Focus on reducing processed foods and emphasize protein with every meal to help prevent the insulin roller coaster. Exercise isn't just for your body, it's essential for your brain. Regular physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, boosts production of BDNF, and reduces inflammation that can contribute to cognitive decline. Even a daily 20 to 30-minute walk can make a significant difference in mental clarity. Even mild dehydration can impair cognitive function. Aim for half your body weight in ounces of water daily. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, which can damage the hippocampus, the brain's memory center. Practice mindfulness and set boundaries to manage stress effectively. What you eat directly impacts how your brain functions. Foods like omega-3 rich fish, antioxidant powerhouses, leafy greens, and healthy fats have been scientifically linked to better cognitive performance. Try to incorporate at least one brain-boosting food in every meal. Sometimes brain fog persists because of specific nutrient deficiencies that are common after 40. Work with your healthcare provider to check levels of vitamin B12, vitamin D, omega-3, fatty acids, and iron, as deficiencies can cause fatigue and brain fog. We'll cover each of these in more depth in other videos. Amali came in convinced something was seriously wrong. After a thorough evaluation, we created a plan focusing on her most significant issues: poor sleep, blood sugar spikes, and sedentary lifestyle. Within 3 weeks of implementing changes, she reported feeling like her old self again, with sustained energy and mental clarity throughout the day. How will you know if these solutions are working? Look for improvements in morning clarity, sustained attention, word recall, and afternoon energy. Consider keeping a simple daily journal rating these 4 areas on a scale of 1 to 10 to objectively track your progress. Brain fog after 40 is common, but it's not something you have to live with. Remember these core principles. It's physiological, natural solutions work, and consistency matters. By focusing on these 7 natural solutions, you can reclaim your mental clarity and energy at any age. Ready to take action? We've created a free resource to help you implement these solutions, a 7-day brain fog reset challenge. Start implementing these changes today, and you could experience noticeable improvements in mental clarity within just a week.